Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be having a look at our latest purchase. It's a Shark dual purpose portable vacuum cleaner, and it comes with twin battery. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. Well guys, just got this today. Be interesting to see what is actually in the box. As you can see, I've piled it across the floor so you can see what's in it. We've got a bit of this, which is obviously a partner vacuum. Another bit. There's lots of bits and pieces here. But I think randomly, the best way to put it together is just open everything and just bang it together and see what happens. So let's go for it. That's the battery. Spare battery. That's your battery tray. One assumes your battery is just obviously going like that. Also, there's a battery on the side here, which goes in there. Remember guys, I've not looked at the instructions, so you don't have to be an expert in this field to work it out. That's your power cable. And on the side here, there's a power input, which has got a little plug on it. This is male and a female, and that just goes in. That goes into your mains, and that goes near the plug. So that's your batteries on charge. Right then. Where does it all go to? That didn't take much working out, did it guys? It just snaps in and snaps off. Same as this one. Again, it just clips in and out. You can simply fold it in half, very simply by pressing the button, and it just clicks and it folds in half. And you can store it away like this. Right guys, we're ready. We're now charged. Let's get her going. And all you got to do, guys, is clip it back in. Like that. And we're ready. Oh! And guys, that is the Sharp. Quality bit of kit, and we'll come back and we'll review this another day and we'll let you know how we get on with it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and please share. Now later on I will be doing a full-blown review of the Shark. Now it'll be interesting enough to see how it works out in the real world. Now even with dual batteries, it'll be interesting to see how long the battery actually lasts on a full operation. And also it'll be interesting to see what the accessories are like. Now I didn't show you them in the video, but there is accessories for doing the car and staircases. Now I won't be able to review the staircase because I live in a bungalow. But nevertheless, I will show you something else that it's not supposed to do. Anyway, we'll see you again very shortly. Laters!